Hello friends, welcome back. In this session, we will understand some very cool and really very nice to use terminal tips. The Linux or Ubuntu terminal can be used in a much more better and a nice way when you follow these tips. I'm going to present you all those tips one by one with demos. You can see that in the screen I have used cat etc/password, and when you display that along with the option pipe column -t-s with a colon, it is displayed as a table. You can see that when I remove it and when I display it, it is very clumsy. So when you want the output to be in the table format, please go ahead with the cat etc password or whatever command you want, you put it there with the pipe column -t-s with the colon will get you the output in the tabular format. Now I want to know what is the architecture of my machine. I mean the processor architecture. So getconf long_BAT will get you the detail in second. Mine is a 64-bit architecture machine, and that's what you got it in front of you. Now I'm going to shut down my machine, but can I schedule the shutdown? Yes, we can schedule the shutdown by using sudo shutdown plus that minutes. When you put plus 15 there, that means that it will be shut down after 15 minutes. And if you want to cancel the schedule, you can go ahead with shutdown-c. That means the shutdown schedule that you have requested already will be cancelled. This is a very important thing that we can use because we may forget to switch off or we may want to run a script, and in that case it will be very useful. Now I'm going to show you something more important. Sriram.txt is a file that is visible right now. How do you want to make it non-visible to everybody else? Move Sriram.txt to .sriram.txt. If you just prefix a dot, that will appear invisible and you cannot see it with a normal listing, and you need to go with ls-a. As you can see there, now it is appearing. So only when you use ls-a, you will get that file visible, else you can't. Now I'm moving it back to sriram.txt so that it will be visible for everybody in the normal mode. So if you feel that some files are really sensitive and you need to hide it from the normal users for the normal listing, prefix it with a dot. It will be very helpful. Now I have launched a VLC player. I want to know what is the PID of the VLC player. I do not have to use greater commands for that. PID of VLC, if I put 8021 is the PID that is allocated, which is process ID. Now how do I kill it? I want to close the VLC player. Instead of going in the normal way with GUI, I am going with kill-9 8021. Now you can see that the VLC player is killed. So PID of any process will get you the process ID very clearly, and with that you can do anything that you want. Now I'm creating a file called deletetthis.txt. I'm typing something here. Sriram is teaching Linux tricks, and I'm just typing some content for you to have some content out of the file. It is nice, and I'm saving that file. Now I have to delete this file. You may find the option of RMS deleting the file, but it is not a permanent delete. You can still recover that file. So shredding is the best option that you need to follow. If you want to delete the file permanently, shred-zvu with the file name followed by that is going to delete the permanently, and you can see that the content delete this.txt is not listed. So very important tip, if you have some files which you feel should be deleted permanently, please delete it this way. Now I need some dictionary help or spelling help in Linux. So how do we do it? Look, stun, if you type and enter, it will display all the words in English which can get completed with stun, stunning, stunningly, like that. Look, spell, it has displayed all those what it starts with spell, and this is a real good option for us to understand the spelling and the available words in that same few letters, first few initial letters. And I hope this session was very useful. You can follow all these tips if you like, and if you like the session, please give comments and give a thumbs up. If you like the channel, please subscribe and refer it to your friends as well. Thank you very much for following my channel and the content. I will come again to you with a new content shortly. Thank you.